Hello! Today we're going to talk about the hand press. It may be configured with a 7, 3, or 1 millimeter die. For 7 millimeters, I really like our Pixie mini hydraulic press, but for the 1 and the 3, I definitely like the hand press best. Now, when would you want to make a 1 or 3 millimeter KBR pellet? Well, often if you're really sample limited, it's a nice option. So earlier, I made a 1 and 3 millimeter pellet, and I wanted to compare my results using a beam condenser to make that measurement versus just putting that 1 or 3 millimeter KBR pellet collar in straight transmission. So let's start off looking at spectra I collected on the 3 millimeter KBR pellet. Now, I obtained a really beautiful spectrum using the beam condenser. And when I put that pellet in straight transmission, I was picking up a reflection of sorts because you can see that in that fringing pattern that runs along its baseline. So my preference was the data collected in the beam condenser. Next up, let's look at the 1 millimeter pellet. Now again, I collected this using our 4X beam condenser and in straight transmission. Now you notice in straight transmission, you just have a lot of noise. And by using the beam condenser to reduce that beam size and getting more of the beam through the KBR pellet, the noise was significantly reduced. So if you have a need to make a 1 or a 3 millimeter KBR pellet and want a real simple way to analyze it, consider using a beam condenser. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.